Remove back shroud. Take out collecting plates. Take out ionization frame. Take out pre-filter. Take out rubber sleeve. Wash rubber sleeve. Clean back shroud. Wash collecting plates. Use detergent for better result. Put it in a dry place for at least 24 hours. Wash pre-filter. Put it in a dry place. Clean ionization frame on a flat surface. Use dry sponge cloth to clean. Do not use wet sponge cloth. Sensor is at the back of the unit. Clean sensor by rubbing alcohol cotton swabs. Clean sensor and frame around. Install rubber sleeve first. Contact pin goes through small hole on rubber sleeve. Install collecting plates. Install ionization frame. Install pre-filter. Install back shroud.